I hope that you have enjoyed the previous video getting started with QGIS. In this video tutorial I'll be showing you how to download QGIS software. So just type in QGIS and hit the button enter. Now you can see on the top, welcome to QGIS projects. So this is the website. So I'll be sharing the web link in the description. You can just check it out. Now you can see here a download option is available. Two versions are available. One is QGIS 3.32.1, which is the latest version. Another version is QGIS 3.28.9. So that is a long-term release, which is much stabler than the latest release. So now we are going to opt the QGIS 3.28.9 version. So now hit the button download, and you can see here download QGIS 3.32, and now we are going to download the most stable version. So just click in over here. So the download will be starting automatically. So you can just see here. So I'm going to specify the output location where to download. Hit the button save, and our download has been started. So it took me around 15 to 20 minutes to download this file. So the benefit of using QGIS is you can use multiple versions at the same time. So let us see how to install this software. So now let us click on this QGIS software which we have downloaded, or otherwise you can directly hit on the button downloads and go to the option show all downloads. So from here you can just click and you can just prepare it for the installation. So right now you can just see a pop-up which has been appeared. So welcome to QGIS 3.28.9 version. So let us give some time to compute the space requirement, and now you can see the option next button. Hit the button next, and we need to accept the terms and condition before using the software, and hit the button next. And if you want, you can create a shortcuts in desktop and start menu also. You can choose the where the program needs to be installed. You can just choose the location by hitting the button change. Otherwise just leave it as it is and hit the button next, and finally hit the button install. So you can just check the status over here. So it will be taking 10 to 15 minutes based on your system's configuration. Now finally hit the button finish. So we have successfully installed the QGIS. So let us see how it has been installed. Let me open the application right now. So let me go to the option start. Here you can see QGIS desktop 3.28.9 version. Let me open this. So you can see here, this is the first time we are opening this QGIS 3.28 version, long-term release. So if you have any doubts in this, please do ask in the comment section. I'll be answering to your question. So you can see here it has been successfully installed, and this is how it looks like. So let us meet in the next video where we will be creating points. Thanks for watching.